Welcome everybody. I just want to show you a couple of letters. The letter is N, the letter is Z, the letter is H, the letter is I. Now if you want to create the I over here, you would create this over here, and this would be your I. This is when the I is turned sideways, okay? Here's your I, here's your N. N and Z are the same. I and H are the same. H&I, N and Z, H-I-N-Z, H.N.I.Z. If you want to write the word Zion, okay, Zion can be written like this. Zion is a rare formation, okay, in which two worlds, because this one is drawn on the line, the O is drawn on the line, the N divides the line and can be written in one area. You cannot do this with the other letters. For instance, give me any other letter, an M, the M is designed like this. Okay, I cannot design the M in one single square, okay, because the N takes up more than one world. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to draw H-I-N-Z. Here's the H, okay, we're going to draw the H, and here's your H. Here we have the H. Now it's always on line. Okay, we're always going to draw on line. Now we're going to draw the I, and we're going to draw the I right over here. You have your house with your windows, okay, vertical, horizontal. Now we're going to do your Z, and we're going to do your N together, okay? So when you do your N, here is your N. When you do your Z, here is your Z. Here you have Z and N. The seventh gate takes up of two partitions, one where you're coming out of one world, one where you're going into the other world. Now we're going to do this again, but now we're going to show you the rodent coil. Okay, the rodent coil goes like this. 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5. This is what the rodent coil looks like, okay? Now when you draw the rodent coil backwards, it becomes instead of 1, 2, backwards becomes 3, 2. 3, 2, 3 times 2 is 6. 1, 2, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 and 8 is 16 is 7. 7 and 7 is 14 equals 5. Right here. So we take this is number 6, and it goes to number 8. Instead of 4 going to 8, now 6 goes to 8. Now from 8 we go to 9. Instead of 8 going to the 7th gate, now 8 goes to the 9th birth, and 9 goes back up to 5. 9 to 5. This one was 7 to 5. This is 9 to 5. Now we make the continuation over here. And we make the continuation over here. Now if you take a good look, okay, what I'm going to do now is show you small formation. I'm going to put this next to this. You see the way one becomes a plus, the H and I become a plus, the N and Z becomes a multiplication. When you put them next to each other, okay, this is what you end up having, okay? But now if you just make one scenario, okay, of this, if you only make one scenario of this, all you get, I'm just trying to show you, okay, all you get is this. This is one side of the hourglass. This is H, okay, this becomes 8. Do you see the way this box is formed over here? This is a box over here, and then over here you have two triangles. It becomes this. Number 80. Number 80 is the world we're in. 8 becomes 6. Okay, if you connect the two with the heart, it becomes 88, two different kinds of 8, two different kinds of worlds. You see this here, and the 0, it becomes number 80. With the 4 windows, H, I, N, and Z, this is what it becomes. Do you follow what I did? If you did not, please ask me questions. This is part of the rodent's coil, the energy of the earth. It designs the H-I-N-Z. It designs this. This is what it is, multiple and addition. What do we multiply? What do we add? Well, N, okay, is the 14th letter in the deck. It becomes 9. It becomes part of the sun. Z is the 26th letter in the deck. This becomes 20. Okay, since it becomes I and 20, it becomes 29, which is 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 plus 4 equals 9. It's 29. Plus the value of the 2 is 40. 40 plus 29 equals 69, the rotation. The rotation. Okay, at the same time, I'm going to show you 1 times 4 is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 times 4 is 4. These two together actually only added up to equal to the N letter. The same number as in the N letters in the Z, 29, you end up with the same letter when you add them back together. The H and the I, okay, which H equals 8 and I equals 9. Okay, this will equal 17. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. This equals to 15. Okay, this 1 times 5 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6 equals 11. This becomes 11. 29 becomes 11. They both become 11. They both can work into 11 after you add them up and multiply them. If you want to do this again, 8 times 9 is 72. 8 plus 9 is 17, will become 89 again. So you have no choice but to extend it from here. This one doesn't go any further. 5 times 6, 5 plus 6 will equal to your 41. This will be 41. 5 times 6 is 30. Equals to the 41, and that's how we started with the N letter. So H-N-I-Z inside the letters keep the formation of 1111 and 911. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for this short video. Let's see if we can all put something together. Thank you.